Good evening, learners. Today we have one grammar topic, that is preposition. So what are preposition? Prepositions are the words which we use before noun. Why we use? Because they show us the position of noun or pronoun in the sentence. Here pre means before, right? Pre means before and position means place. So this word shows the position of noun most of the time. Sometimes we can say it shows relationship with the pronoun as well. In other words, I would say these prepositions show the relationship with the other part of the sentence. So here are few prepositions which we are going to practice. Mainly there are three types of preposition: preposition of place, preposition of time and preposition of direction. So here are few daily use prepositions which we will see. So here you can see there are daily use preposition. One by one we will practice it with the help of sentences. So here you can see in one preposition. As I told you, there are three main types of preposition: preposition of time, preposition of place and preposition of direction. So this in can be used like both in a way, like it is used to show places and time also. So let us see few example of both, right? It is preposition of place also and preposition of time also. So when we use it as a preposition of place, it shows something inside already. For example, here you can see the book is in the bag. For example, if I say, right, chairs are in the class. Apart from this, it shows enclosed area. For example, they live in Delhi. They live in Delhi. So it also shows the enclosed geographical area which is big in nature. Apart from this, in also used to show time. Mostly they show the like months, years, season, like that. For example, they celebrate birthday in June. So here you can see in is helping us to denote month. So in can be used to show places and time as well. Let us see another preposition, on. So on is commonly used in our daily speaking. So it talks about surface, right? When something is on the surface, means one use is like to show the something is on the surface, and another use is to talk about time also. So let us see both uses. Here you can see one example. The phone is on the table. If I say they are playing on the ground, so means something is on the surface, like it is touching to the surface and the things are happening. Another use is to show time. Sometimes you say like day, days. Okay, you can also use on to show that. For example, we have meeting on Monday. So apart from places, here you can use it to show time also. So these are few uses of on. Let us see at. So at is used to show both place and time. When you want to show smaller places, then you use at. Exact small places we can say. For example, she is at school. Right. Suppose if I say the class starts at 9 a.m. So here at school it is showing place and at 9 a.m. it is showing time. So when you want to tell exact location and exact time, you can use at in your daily speaking. We have another word now here, to. To used to show particular destination. In particular destination or direction, if you want to tell, you can use to. For example, I am going to Mumbai. We say he goes to school. So when you talk about particular location, then use to. Then we have another preposition, that is from. It shows origin point or starting point of something. It is in movement. For example, he came from Pune. The train runs from Delhi. So it shows origin place of something. So that is why we use from. Then we have like preposition, that is for. It is mostly used to show purpose, or we can say duration. Okay, so here are few examples. This gift is for you. So exactly it is showing for whom it has bought. I studied for 2 hours. Another use of for is to show particular time. Okay. Another preposition we have, that is with. It talks about together or using something. For example, he went with her friend. I discuss with my relatives. So it is showing that relationship. And another is like with. It is showing something you use for. For example, I cut vegetable with knife. I cut vegetables with knife. So I hope friends you are understanding. Next preposition we have, that is by. By is also used to show the method or nearby something, and it also shows the means of transportation. For example, we travel by bus. It is showing that means of transportation, like by bus, by aeroplane, by cycle you can show. If you are standing beside something, then also you can use by. Okay. Let us see of. Of shows belonging or ownership. For example, the color of the car is red. He is student of Oxford University. It show that it's something belong to, or he or she possesses something. For example, I am brother of him. So it shows possession or ownership as well. Then we have into. Into is what, like it shows moving object. For example, the water is into the glass. Also you can say that boy has jumped into the swimming pool. So it is talking about the action is taking place, like means that action is in movement. When you talk about the movement is going on, then you can use into. So these are few prepositions which we discuss. I hope you understood. If you have any query, you can write in comment box. Thank you for your time. See you in the next video.